Both men and women are concerned of the issue of dark circles under their eyes. And when they do happen to us, we are left feeling terrible. Don't worry, you are not the only one dealing with this issue, many people are having the same issue. Some of the most beautiful celebrities in the world have struggled with this issue at some point in their careers and have been forced to rely on concealers and makeup products in order to mask the dark circles under their eyes. When trying to address these issues, it is advisable to treat them using natural remedies rather than products that are based on chemicals. The skin around the eyes is very sensitive. Therefore, in order to assist you breathe new life into the area around your eyes, here is a list of home treatments that are straightforward and easy to carry out. Let's get to the bottom of what causes dark circles under the eyes first, then, we can move on to discussing how to treat them. There is a wide range of potential explanations for the same. These might also be fat reduction around the eyes, sleep deprivation, bad sleep schedule, various kinds of allergic reactions, iron deficiency, anemia, UV damage from excessive sunlight exposure, frequent eye contact such as stroking or touching them, genetics, smoking. Becoming older, the older you become, the more damage that builds up on your skin, and getting older also guarantees that your skin will thin out. Tone of the skin. People with darker complexion tend to have darker circles under their eyes that are more visible and apparent. There are 8 wonderful home remedies that can treat dark circles under the eyes. 1. Tea bags. Utilizing cold tea bags is one of the most powerful and really simple techniques to eliminate these dark circles under the eyes. If you want results quickly, try green tea bags. It is believed that the leftover caffeine helps to constrict blood vessels, which in turn lowers blood flow. This, in turn, helps to provide some relief from dark circles under the eyes. In order to cool the bags, soak them in water and place them in the fridge. After removing them from the refrigerator, place them on each of your eyes in a comfortable position for 10 to 15 minutes. It should be done frequently. 2. Grated potatoes or cucumbers. This is without a doubt one of the most efficient treatments available. They also help to reduce the puffiness around the eye area, which is another benefit. The anti-inflammatory properties of these cooling vegetables, along with the vitamins and antioxidants they contain, assist to reduce inflammation around the eyes, which in turn helps to prevent further darkening. You can put some raw potato or cucumber shreds on your eyes if you grate any of either of those vegetables. Unwind, and take them off after 10 to 12 minutes. You also have the option of squeezing the juice out of cucumbers or potatoes instead. Put some cotton balls on your eyes, then dab them with some of the juice to make them more comfortable. Ensure that the area surrounding the black circles in its entirety is covered. After waiting for 1 to 3 minutes, wash it off with cold water. 3. Refrigerated milk. The delicate skin around the eyes can be soothed with the help of cold milk, which is also an effective natural cleanser for the eyes. Lactic acid, which is present in chilled milk, not only alleviates the appearance of under-eye puffiness but also brightens the complexion. In addition, the potassium found in milk enables the skin to retain moisture more effectively, which results in skin that is smoother and more supple. Apply a cold compress to the eye area using a cotton ball that has been dipped in milk. Maintain this position for a short while, and then flush the eyes with ice water. At a minimum of 3 times per week, repeat. 4. Aloe vera. The use of aloe as a moisturizer is highly beneficial. Skin that is properly hydrated will age more gracefully and will retain its health for a longer period of time. In addition to this benefit, aloe vera also helps to feed the skin, which stops it from aging prematurely. 5. Rose water. Rose water is reviving, and it may be applied to virtually every type of skin and used to treat any problem that is related to the skin. Rose water should be soaked into cotton eye pads, and then they should be placed over the eyelids. Keep on for another 10 to 15 minutes. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have natural bleaching properties and should be used. They also include antioxidants, which assist in reducing the appearance of discoloration in the area around the eyes. Under each of your eyes, apply a mixture of 1 teaspoon of tomato juice and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice that has been mixed together. After letting it sit for about 10 minutes, rinse it off with cold water to remove the residue. 7. Practices of meditation and yoga. Stress, despair, and leading an unpredictable lifestyle are some of the underlying causes of dark circles beneath the eyes. Maintaining your composure and calmness is therefore one of the most smart strategies to deal with dark circles. Therefore, it is to one's advantage to incorporate yoga and meditation into their daily routine. 8. Regular sleep. When trying to get rid of dark circles under your eyes, getting sufficient amounts of sleep on a consistent basis is likely one of the most significant elements to take into consideration. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule gives your body, and, by extension, your skin, the time it needs to rest, heal, and rejuvenate. Your general health will also improve as a result of this, in addition to the youthful appearance of your skin.